What's up everyone, how are you guys doing today? This is Gem and Lionheart once again, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of one of my new West keyboard. It's a Corsair K95 Platinum mechanical keyboard. Alright guys, so recently I just bought it for $150 from the original price of $180. Okay, so let's see, we'll be doing that unboxing of this keyboard and as well as installing it, and also let's check the performance of this baby. Okay, so let's start unboxing this one. Okay, ayan. I'm gonna be using this knife since I don't have really a suitable knife to use for cutting it. Okay. Voila. Ayan guys. Let's see. Okay, so it's like a box, and let's open it up. Parang no, shoebox lang, no? Then here we go, baby. Here we go. So let's take out this. So this is the cable. Okay, so guys, hindi po to wireless it's not wireless keyboard. Alright, it's a long, so it's got two USB. So we're gonna find out which one. So I think I should put two, maybe. Let's see. Next. Okay, so this is the keyboard itself. Yan. Naka-plastic wrap siya. Mamaya na to. Let's check the other one first. Open here. Okay, open here. Open here. Open here. Open here. Ano tong yellow? I think this is the manual, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, okay. These are spare. Okay. Spare keys, maybe? No, it's... Okay. Okay, this is the manual, I presume. Exactly. And warranty guide. Next, open up this baby. Oh, okay. May included siyang armrest, guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Naipit siya. Kaya di na malabas. Alright, so hindi siya leather actually. It's like an aluminum wrist rest, to be exact. And it's like this. No, the other way around. Okay. Hindi siya leather. Okay, I see. Let's see. Okay, so let's take it out. So basically inside is only the spare keys, the wrist rest, and of course the keyboard. Let's open this up. Di ko alam kung kailangan isasaksak ko yung dalawa, if I should put the two keyboard. Oh, or there's some keys that are taken out, that are loosened. Yes. Okay, baby. Here we go. So natanggal yung control. I think I can just pull it out. Yeah. There we go. So basically the keys are easy to, it's easy to be taken out actually. And Let's put it. Let's put it. Next. Voila. Meron pang isa. The arrow key. Okay. So, madali lang siya matanggal. Yep. So, easy. So, like this. It's like there's a tube here for, I think this is for the volume if I'm not mistaken. This one. And here. And there's a USB 3.0 port over here in the back. And voila. This is the back one. Okay, this to open up. And that's it. This is the macro keys right over here. Alright, without further ado, let's install this one first. Okay guys, so nalaman ko na kung para saan itong dalawang ano na to. So this one, you know, like there's some keyboard, you know, nakaano dito. Hindi ko lang ang tawag dito. Basta naka-drawing. And tingnan ko kung makikita nyo. So itong keyboard na to, naka-engrave. Okay, naka-engrave. This is the USB keyboard connector. So isasaksak natin siya sa USB 3.0 port. And the other one, okay, this is the USB pass-through connector. That yung may dalawang arrow magkabila. That means you can put it in either USB 2.0 or 3.0 port. And ang silbi niya is para magkaroon ng silbi itong ano, para gumana tong USB port na nakalagay sa keyboard, which is also 2.0 port. Okay, hindi siya 3.0. So you can install this baby. Okay, so nasasaktan na nito dahil wala. Okay. Now. Oh, there you go. Okay, the RGB lighting. It's cool. And yeah, see, whenever I put this one and lalabas yung ano. So this is for the volume. Sweet. This is for the volume actually. This one. And I press this, it's gonna mute. Okay. Next, this one. Oh, look guys. It's like a profile. No? This is the, okay, parang left to right. This is like a random. Ay, pabilog, but like a clockwise. This is the steady. No, it's not really steady. Okay, so ito yung parang profile niya. Then ito is of course for the lighting, on and off. Lock, di ko alam. So ayan, so na-install na natin siya guys. So we have to do is, let's check the manual again. Download the Corsair utility engine software. So it's corsair.com/download. So let's go. Okay, so I already downloaded the software. It's in corsair.com/downloads. Tapos dito kayo dadalhin, no? Dito sa website ito. 100. So you can look for your respective hardware, which is K95 RGB on my end. So I already downloaded and this will pop up. So I have to run the program. Welcome. I accept. Hindi ako nagbabasa nito guys eh. And nope, add desktop only. And install. Okay. I don't know how long is this. Siguro depende sa internet speed nyo. Mabilis siya, mabilis. It's fast. Pwede natin yung kulay. Ay, hindi yung kulay. Yun. I'm starting to like this actually. Okay. Oh, that's good. That was fast. And now run the program. Let's see. There you go. No device detected. Here you go. And that's it. Okay, so the actions right here, lighting effects. Okay, so you can speed. Okay, this is it. So you can the hardware lighting here, the performance and onboard profile. So pwede yung ano yun, no, yung ayan. Pwede nyo i-customize yung lighting ng inyong RGB sa ano. Tapos also dashboard. Nothing in dashboard. Okay. Settings. Polling rate. OSD. Wow. They have here overlays for Dota 2, World of Warcraft, Dota 3. Diablo 3. Dota 3. Okay. I see that Dota 2. Enabled. Yung. Is for Dota 2. Wow, that's good. Update. Okay. I don't see where's the performance, hardware lighting. Alright, that's basically it. So wait, one more thing before I forget, the armrest, you know. So buong araw ko na ako sa shikakap. So kinakapit siya dito. Ayun. So let's see. Wow, there we go. That's the armrest. That's the armrest, baby. Hindi siya natatanggal. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. Ganda siya. So it's like aluminum. Hindi siya leather like my Razer. Because my Razer wrist is leather, actually. By the way, this is for my mouse. Okay. Actually, this is my only Corsair product that I have. Basically, I have almost all my peripherals are Razer. No, because my old keyboard is Razer, my mouse is Razer, and I even have my headset, which is also Razer. Yan. And also my headstand is also Razer, actually. Yan. So almost all are Razer. So let's see if kung gagana yung USB port ng Corsair ng keyboard natin. So I'm gonna use my mouse for that. This is only 2.0 if I'm not mistaken. Sorry. So I'm gonna put other one. Let's see if it's gonna work. Natin kung iilaw yung aking mousepad with this. If we know that means it's working. Yeah, it works.
Your primary objective is to kill them all. Search
Alright.
inside buildings for weapons and ammo. Reloading!
Ouch. Oh, masakit. Oh, that hurt. Okay. Oh. Hindi ko lang kakampihin ko to kalaban eh.
HUD shows how many enemies remain.
Ay!
You need a weapon, soldier. Find one.
Oh, gonna kick it. Okay.
Nearby enemies. Now hunt them down.
Oh, pa. Ano ang bala? Okay, so that's it. That's a good okay, that's the performance. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jamlayer once again. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, or probably also you can check my streaming pages. Okay, you can go to my Facebook page, is fv.gg/jamlayer gaming. My YouTube channel, you can like and subscribe, is youtube.com/jamlayer, and also I'm streaming to my Twitch channel, is twitch.tv/jamlayer. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and hope to see you again next time. Bye, guys. Ciao.